Okay, you can pause the video and just try it out and then we'll discuss. Okay, so Anant and Biswa together can complete a piece of work in 10 days. So I can say A and B together complete the work in 10 days. B and C together can complete the piece of work in 12 days, and A and C together can complete the same piece of work in 15 days. Okay. Find the time taken by each of them to complete the work independently. Okay, यहाँ पे थोड़ा grammar अलग है इस question का. Okay, it should be given that A and B, B and C, and A and C together complete, A and B together complete a piece of work in 10 days. B and C together can complete the same piece of work in 12 days, and A and C can complete the same piece of work in 15 days. Okay, this is the intended question here. Okay, so 10, 12, and 15. All right, you're supposed to find out the time taken by each of them to complete the work independently. Okay, now हम हमेशा क्या निकालते हैं LCM, अब भी क्या निकालेंगे LCM. So 10, 12, 15, the LCM is 60. Okay, now 60 units of work करना है. A plus B इसको 10 दिन में करता है. So what is the efficiency of A plus B? 60 divided by 10, 6 units. B plus C का efficiency क्या होगा? 60 divided by 12, 5 units per day. And A plus C का efficiency क्या होगा? 60 divided by 15, 4 units per day. Okay. Now understand, 6 units में A and B are together, 5 units में B and C are together, and 4 units में A plus C are together, right? So when I add them, all these three, I will get 15 units. This 15 units is the combined efficiency of A, B, and C twice, right? Because इसमें देखो A और B दो बार आ रहा है और C भी दो बार आ रहा है, right? So you add all the efficiencies, that is nothing but the efficiencies taken twice. So we divide this now. Okay, we get 7.5 as the combined efficiency of A, B, and C. Okay, guys, here on life is very, very easy. How? Efficiency of A, B, and C combined is 7.5, and A and B together is 6. Bacha kitna? 1.5. 1.5 is the efficiency of C. Similarly, B and C together, the efficiency is 5 units per day. A, B, and C together is 7.5. The difference is 2.5. So A efficiency is 2.5 units per day, right? Similarly, A and C together, it's 4 units per day. Okay, all three together is 7.5. So B alone is 3.5 units per day. Okay, A 2.5 units karta hai daily. Okay, work kitna karna hai? 60. So how much time will A take? 60 divided by 2.5. This comes out to be 24 days. Same way, B will complete the same work 60 upon 3.5 days. This comes out to be 120 upon 7. You can keep it as it is, or you can reduce this in decimal, right? 17 point something aa jayega. 17.142857 recurring. We'll discuss that. Okay. So for C also 60 units of work is to be done, and efficiency is how much? 1.5. So how much time will C take alone? 40 days. Right? It's as simple as that. You can pause the video and try it out, and then we'll discuss. Okay. So Amal can complete a job in 10 days and Bimal can complete it in 8 days. So Amal can complete a job in 8 days. Amal can complete the job in 10 days, which Bimal can complete in 8 days. Okay. Amal, Bimal, and Kamal, ABK, together complete the job in 4 days and are paid a total amount of rupees 1000. If this amount is shared in the proportion of their work, then Kamal's share is what? Okay. So as I said in the previous question, guys, यहाँ पे हमें तीनों की efficiency का ratio निकालना है. Okay, using the given data. Okay, if you haven't tried this, you can again try it now. Pause the video and find it out. Okay, if not, then let's see. Okay, so I do not know their efficiencies, right? So first, let's find out their efficiencies. 10, 8, and 4. The efficiency is 40 units, right? So A का efficiency क्या हो गया? 40 upon 10, 4. B का efficiency क्या हो गया? 40 upon 8, which is 5. And combined efficiency क्या हो गया? 40 upon 4, जो कि होता है 10. Okay. Now guys, A का alone efficiency is 4 units per day. B alone is 5 units per day. And combined is 10. Okay. तो 4 plus 5 तो 9 ही होता है ना. 1 यूनिट बचता है, वो किसका efficiency होगा? वो K का efficiency होगा, right? कमल का. So efficiency का ratio कितना हो गया guys? 4:5:1. So efficiency of Kamal is 1 out of total 10. तो उसका share भी कितना होगा? 1/10 of 1000, जो कि होगा 100 rupees. Okay, pipe A takes twice the time taken by pipes B and C to fill an empty tank, and pipe B takes thrice the time taken by pipes A and C together to fill the same tank. If all three start and complete filling the tank together, find A, time taken by B alone to complete a piece of work for which A alone takes 12 days, first question, and share of C out of the total remuneration of rupees 96,000. Okay. Now, what we need to do here is, from the given data, we need to extract the ratio of their efficiencies. Okay, and let's see how we do it. Pipe A takes twice the time taken by pipes B and C. This is the first condition. and pipe B takes thrice the time taken by A and C together. That's the second condition, right? Okay. Let me assume the efficiencies as A, B, and C units. Okay. A, B, and C units. Okay, respectively. Okay. Now it is given that pipe A takes twice the time taken by B and C together. Okay. If pipe A takes twice the time taken by B and C together, can I say the efficiency of A is half that of B and C together? Same thing, right? Efficiency half है तभी to time double लग रहा है, right? Similarly, it is given that pipe B takes thrice the time taken by pipes A and C together. That means the efficiency of pipe B is one third the efficiency of A and C together, right? Okay. Now, from these two statements, from these two conditions, I'm supposed to get the ratio of their efficiencies. There are different ways out, multiple ways out. I'll tell you the simplest way which I know. Now, just observe. Okay, here we take 2 on the left hand side. I will get 2A is equal to B plus C. Now I'll add A on both sides. Okay. When I do that, I will get 3A is equal to A plus B plus C. Right. Same thing I'll do for the second condition. I'll take 3 on the left hand side. I'll get 3B is equal to A plus C. I will simply add B on both sides. So I will get 4B is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay. Next step, you can equate these two. Both are equal to A plus B plus C. That gives you 3A is equal to 4B, or A is to B ratio we will get. A is to B is equal to 4 is to 3. Okay. Now A and B, you can put in any of these two equations. You can get the value of C. So let's do it here. Okay, I have B, which is 3 is equal to 4 plus C divided by 3. 3 is 9 minus 4. C is equal to 5. Okay, so very clearly and very easily here you have obtained the ratio of their efficiencies, and that ratio is nothing but 4 is to 3 is to 5. Okay, now you can solve both the questions pretty easily. Let's see how we do them. Time taken by B alone to complete a piece of work for which A alone takes 12 days. Okay, A alone takes 12 days means the work done by A will be is efficiency 4 multiplied by the time taken, which is 12 into 4, 48 units, right? The same work is now being performed by B, and whose efficiency is 3 units, right? So what is the time taken by B in this case? The time taken by B in this case will be the work done divided by the efficiency of B. This comes out to be 16 days, right? Okay, this is similar to a CAT 2016 question. Okay, the one we solved just now is similar to a CAT 2016 question. Okay, I've just changed the values here. Baki, everything is the same. Okay. So let's look at the second question. Share of C out of the total remuneration of rupees 96,000. This I believe you should be able to solve very easily. How? The efficiency of C, जो भी उसका fraction होगा, efficiency का, this we solved previously in the last class. Whatever is the ratio or fraction of the efficiency, that same fraction of money is being divided, right? So efficiency का ratio 435 है, C का share is 5 out of 12 total. So total fees का भी share कितना होगा? 5 by 12. 12 ones are 12 8s are 96, 8,000 into 5. The share of C is total 40,000. It's as simple as that.